feeling chained to your script? Or worried about forgetting your lines maybe? Let's be real guys, presentations crammed with bullet points or long lines can put both you and your audience to sleep. But of course, there's a better way. A way to be prepared, confident, and sound completely natural. Today, we're talking rehearsal hacks actually used by presentation pros. The TED Talk veterans, the industry leaders who captivate audiences. Well, guess what? We are about to transform your presentations from scripted snooze fest to captivating conversations. I can't wait. Let's dive in. So guys, the secret weapon over here is called strategic rehearsal. But before you start drilling lines like a robot, just ditch the script and focus on understanding instead. Think of yourself as a storyteller, not a lecturer, because guess what? You're not a lecturer. What is the message you want to convey? What about the key points? Map out the journey you'll take your audience on. And if you know me, as I always say, always break down your content into manageable chunks. What are the main takeaways you want people to remember? And we have to know that strategic rehearsal goes well beyond just memorizing lines. It's about building a framework around your core message. I want you to imagine a 3-column table: content, prompts, and delivery. Content lists your key points like market trends, and prompts are like short phrases to trigger your memory, like identify the biggest industry shifts. And finally, delivery guides the body language, like using visuals during market trends and shifting to a passionate tone when introducing your solution. With this framework, you rehearse using prompts to naturally flow through your content, while delivery notes ensure you use impactful body language. This strategic approach lets you focus on the story you're telling, not rigidly following a script. Now let's build your rehearsal toolkit. Forget bulky scripts. Instead, create power prompts. These are short, sharp phrases on note cards that trigger your memory and keep you on track. Power prompts spark ideas, not dictate your speech. And they will definitely help you sound more natural and engaging instead of sounding like a robot. So try to think of power prompts like conversation starters, helping you elaborate and connect with your audience in a more personal way. They'll provide the foundation for your presentation, but leave enough room for you to inject your own personality and passion. All right, stage the podium and let's get you moving. Imagine yourself in the actual presentation space. Picture the layout, the audience, and how you'll navigate it. And now rehearse with purpose. And make sure you incorporate natural body language, confident eye contact to connect with the audience, and hand gestures that emphasize key points. Don't be afraid to inject some energy and passion into your voice as you speak. Practice out loud, record yourself on camera, and then iterate. Is your time enough to talk about all the points you need to make? Is your pace smooth and engaging? Treat this rehearsal like a mini performance, because that's exactly how your final presentation is going to be. And the final hack, technology is your friend, not your enemy. So as I just mentioned, guys, record yourself on camera and then watch it back. I know I do it like 1,000 times. So yes, I'm telling you to be your own critic above anyone else. Identify areas for improvement. Awkward pauses, unclear explanations, filler words, you name it. Refine your delivery for a smooth, impactful presentation. See, strategic rehearsal is the key to ditching the script and owning your presentation. You'll be clear, captivating, and in control. Remember guys, it's never about memorizing everything word for word. It's about internalizing your message. Now go out there and crush that presentation. Oh, and speaking of crushing presentations, if you want more tips on crafting captivating content or engaging your audience, please subscribe, like this video, and share your comments down below. And don't forget to smash that notification bell so you never miss a video. We've got tons of tips and resources to help you become a presentation powerhouse. But for now, that was all for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.